Welcome to Bookkeeping and Tax Readiness class, an online class that will teach you how you can know your business profits, manage documents, and better organize your business finances. In this video lesson on CAC Business Registration Nigeria, Shuladrem 247, we will be looking at the basic of bookkeeping, which is how to understand the basic of bookkeeping. At the end of this video, you will be able to understand and know the basic thing you need to know about bookkeeping. So all you need to do is to make sure you watch this video from beginning to the end for you to gain knowledge and for a proper understanding of why we are here. Let's proceed. What is bookkeeping? Bookkeeping is the systematic recording of all financial transactions of a business. These transactions includes money coming into the business, which is income or sales, money going out of the business, which is your expenses or purchase on what you bought, and money being owed to the business, that is debtors or trade receivable, and so on. In simple terms, bookkeeping helps you track your money, your business finance, so you can always know these three things. Number one, how much you are earning. Number two, how much you are spending. And number three, whether your business is making a profit or the business is making loss. With Zoho Books, bookkeeping becomes easier, faster, and more accurate. Reasons why every business must have a knowledge of bookkeeping. Let's go deep into it. Why you need to have this knowledge about bookkeeping as a business owner. Number one, to know if the business is making profit or loss. Without bookkeeping, many business owners only assume they are making profits. Bookkeeping shows the real financial position of a business. Number two, to track income and control expenses. Bookkeeping helps one to see where your money is coming from and where the money is going to. This helps to identify unnecessary expenses and improve profitability. Number three, to separate personal income from business income. Poor bookkeeping often leads to missing personal and business funds. With proper bookkeeping, one can run their business professionally and avoid confusion. Number four reasons why every business must have a knowledge of bookkeeping is to make better business decisions with accurate records. A business owner can set the right prices, plan for growth, know when to cut costs, and invest more. Good decisions are based on good records. And number five is to prepare for tax, loans, and business growth. Government agencies, banks, and investors require proper financial records. Bookkeeping ensures your business is always ready for tax filing, for loans, and for expansion. Zoho Books helps every business owners to Number one, record transaction correctly. It will help you to record your transaction correctly. And number two, track customers and expenses. Zoho Books will help you to track down your customers and the expenses that your business is into. Then number three, generate profit report automatically. You will always have a profit report that you can make use of at any time. Throughout this course, you will learn how to use Zoho Books step by step, even if you are not an accountant. If you have watched to this extent and you are yet to like, do well to click on that thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe. Also, drop your question in the comment section. Welcome once again. I am Deborah Rafiu, the owner and the brain behind Shuladrem 247. I will see you in the next video. Let's proceed.